Hi everyone, welcome back to Hot Custom YouTube channel. Today I'd like to feature another exclusive that is actually also from Japan. It's a Japan exclusive, and that is actually the Japan's post office exclusive from Kyosho. Yes, I seldom feature Kyosho in my channel, or I do not have as many Kyosho in my collection, but this is actually a very unique one, the one that actually caught my interest, because while I was browsing the magazine in February or January, I think that I saw the news that this car is actually coming out in April. So actually I got this as early as April, but I haven't really featured it because I actually just maybe have no time and just put it aside, and now I just record this because after I was doing this Tsutaya magazine, I realized that hey, I actually do have this stamp car to actually yet to be featured. So why I actually get this is because this is actually a Toyota 2000 GT. It's actually my most favorite Japanese nostalgic car, and of course in my era, or maybe for some collectors in this era, we actually collect stamps. Stamp is our hobby, and what's more, the stamp is actually this very nice nostalgic stamp set from Toyota 2000 GT. This is actually the actual stamp from Japan Post Office. So usually when you go to the post office, you actually get stamp sets like this, commemorative stamp sets, and actually stamp sets like this are actually quite nice. I can see that this is actually the 2000 GT car itself, the engine, as well as the the interior, the back of this is actually the badge, the lights, the systems, as well as all the car part. Actually you can also see this car in action on the circuit, so it actually is very nice. So it's actually actual stamp that you can actually post it just like any commemorative stamp set, and you can see that it's actually a very nice cover design is very nice. So I believe that this is actually designed by for the actually come together with the package. And what you can see here is actually very interesting. Once you open up this box, which is actually quite massive, you can actually see a very nice and elegant, just like a car catalog for Toyota 2000 GT. In fact, I hope that I can really see the real Toyota 2000 GT very soon. Alright, so here you see the 67 Toyota 2000 GT is out from its package. It actually comes with a very nice clear case, as well as the holder to hold the case, so it can actually be a nice packaging by itself. And now it's being freed. I actually think that it's actually looking very wonderful here. Kyosho did a very good job. If you look at the close-up, you can see all the details. They are actually flawless. It is, in fact, doesn't pale in comparison with a Tomica limited vintage. I think this quality is superb in terms of detailings and in terms of every aspect. The paint finishing is so very nice as well. It came in a very nice gold color. In fact, it's coming in very nice gold with actually pearl on it, and it's looking quite nice, as well as the wheel set is actually very accurate. I believe that this is actually can be actually very accurate as compared to the 1:1 that is actually at the Toyota Museum in Odaiba. So of course, I really wish that TLB will come out with a Toyota 2000 GT soon, and I can actually put this beauty side by side to actually compare it together with the TLB version. Well, I think that I need to change my perspective on Kyosho, because I can say that this Kyosho car is actually looking very awesome here. It's in fact one of my most favorite Japan nostalgic car casting, and they have you can see that it can actually roll very well as well. So unlike some, there's a bit of paradox here. Some of the Kyosho diecast doesn't really roll, but this one actually rolls quite nice. And well, I think I should actually start focusing a little bit on Kyosho. I do actually have some of the Kyosho lottery car which I actually just won in some lottery game. Which I featured in my YouTube channel on how to play the lottery Kyosho car. Is some of the Lamborghini cars that I won some prizes. So of course I will actually feature that as well. I'm still trying to figure out how to actually feature that 1:18 Lamborghini Huracan. So because that one is actually quite big in terms of scale, I'm trying to figure out how to actually best review it. Well, alright then. Thanks everyone for tuning into my video, and please remember to subscribe to Hot Custom YouTube channel. I do actually upload video to my content every week. And please remember to give a like, or any question, please to actually shout out below in the comment section. Thanks everyone. Goodbye and good night.